We leave Las Vegas and head southeast. Our first stop is Hoover Dam, a famous concrete dam in the Colorado River Canyon on the border of Nevada and Arizona. It was built during the Great Depression with thousands of workers, and over 100 lives were lost during construction. The view from the bridge to the dam is spectacular. The bridge is the world's tallest concrete arch span. Williams, Arizona is a gem along historic Route 66, which still retains much of its vintage feel. Walking along Route 66 feels like stepping back in time, with classic cars, souvenir shops and themed cafes lining the streets. Known as the gateway to the Grand Canyon, it's only an hour's drive from Grand Canyon National Park, making it a popular stop for travelers exploring the Southwest. Grand Canyon is one of the most iconic natural landmarks in the United States, and is known for its immense size and stunning layered rock formations. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, the canyon stretches approximately 450 kilometers in length, almost 30 kilometers in width, and plunges over 1,600 meters deep. The colorful layers of rock reveal nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history, showcasing various rock types including limestone, sandstone, and shale. These layers tell a story of ancient seas, deserts, volcanic activity, and erosion processes that shaped the region. South Rim is the most accessible and frequently visited area, known for its dramatic vistas. Each year, millions of visitors come to marvel at the canyon's vast scale and breathtaking beauty. I wish we'd had more time at the Grand Canyon. One day just wasn't enough to take in all its beauty. There was so much more to explore. It's a place that deserves more time to fully appreciate.